morning, children. Today it's story time. Now tell me, children, which animal is this? Yes, this is a hare. Very good. Do you know it has long ears and it has strong legs and large feet. See? So it runs very fast. Now, tell me, children, which animal is this? Yes, this is a tortoise. Yes. Now, do you know it has a long neck? Yes, see? And it has thick and short legs. See, like this. And a heavy shell on its back. Yes? So, it walks very slowly. Okay, children? Now, what do you mean by fast and slow? I'll tell you the meaning of fast and slow by doing action. Okay? So now, let's do roly-poly. Yes? Come on. You also do with me. Okay, children? Come on, start. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Fast, 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 fast. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Slow, slow, slow. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Fast, fast, fast. Roly-poly, roly-poly. Slow, slow, slow. Again. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, 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 slow. Fast, 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 fast. Yes. Slow, 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 slow. Fast, 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 fast. Yes. Very good. Now I hope you understood the meaning of fast and slow. Yes, children? Good. Start with the story of the hare and the tortoise. Once there lived a hare in the forest. He was very proud of his speed. In the same forest, there lived a tortoise. One day, the hare made fun of tortoise for his speed. He laughed. Ha 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 ha. Hey tortoise, you're so slow. The tortoise became angry. The hare challenged the tortoise to have a race with him. The tortoise said, "Okay, I am ready to have a race with you. I accept your challenge." So, the race begins. On a mark, get set, go. The hare ran very fast, whereas The tortoise was very slow. The hare stopped to take rest under a tree. He fell asleep. The tortoise overtook the sleeping hare. Suddenly, the hare woke up. The hare ran as fast as he could. But he was late. As the tortoise had reached the winning post and won the race. So, the moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. So, children, who won the race here? Yes, the tortoise. Tortoise won the race. Now, children, let's narrate the story with action. Okay? The title of the story is The Hare and the Tortoise. One day, a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. The race began. The hare ran very fast. The tortoise moved slowly. The hare looked back. The tortoise was far behind. So he went to sleep. The tortoise kept moving slowly but steadily. When the hare woke up, the tortoise had already reached the winning post. Thus, the tortoise won the race. So, the moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. Okay? Yes, children? Now, let's narrate the story again with the action. You will also repeat after me. Okay? Say with me now. The title of the story is The Hare and the Tortoise. One day, a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. The race began. The hare ran very fast. The tortoise moved slowly. The hare looked back. The tortoise was far behind. The tortoise kept moving slowly but steadily. When the hare woke up, the tortoise had already reached the winning post. Thus the tortoise won the race. So the moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. Yes, very good. Now let's recap. Okay. Now what is the first question? What was the title of the story? Yes, children, say what was the title of the story? The title of the story is The Hare and the Tortoise. Yes, The Hare and the Tortoise. Now, second question. What were the two main characters in the story? Say which characters were there in the story? Yes, the hare and the tortoise. Correct. Now, third question. Who won the race? Hare won the race? No. Then, yes, correct. The tortoise won the race. Yes, the tortoise won the race. Now, fourth question. What was the moral of the story? The moral of the story is, yes, say, slow and steady wins the race. Yes, slow and steady wins the race. Very good. Now, let's see the worksheet. What we have to do here? See, sequence the story. That means the pictures are jumbled. Okay, and here we need to number the pictures in the order that happened in story. Okay, so let's start. Yes, so what will be the first picture? First, what happened? The hare and the tortoise decided to have a race. Yes, so this is the first picture. Yes. Now, after that, what happened? They began with the race. The race started. So this will be your second picture, right? And then third is what? After that, what happened? Yes, the hare ran very fast. Correct. So this will be the third picture. Yes. Then what happened? The hare took a rest under a tree and he fell asleep. Yes. So this is a fourth picture, right? Then after that, what happened after that? The tortoise, yes, overtook the, yes, sleeping, correct, hare. Yes or no? So this will be the fifth picture. Yes, then at last, who won the race? Very good. The tortoise won the race. So this will be the sixth picture. Correct. So understood, children? Yes? Very good. So children, I hope you like the story. Yes? So you have to learn the story with action at home. Got it? Thank you.